Everyone, I am Garima from BSc Chemistry Honors second year. Today we are going to do our chapter Carboxylic Acid Introduction. Carboxylic acid are acidic compounds having one or more carboxylic group C double bond OH or COOH in their molecule. The name carboxylic is derived by the combination of the term carbonyl and hydroxyl, since the group COH may be looked up as a combination of carbonyl and hydroxyl groups. The carboxylic acid are classified as mono, di and tricarboxylic acid according to the number of carbonyl group present in the molecule. Thus, monocarbonyl acid may be represented as RC double bond OH, where R may be a simple or substituted alkene or alkyne group. However, the properties of carboxylic group are essentially the same irrespective of the aliphatic or aromatic nature of group attached to it. Nomenclature. First, common system. The aliphatic monocarboxylic acid are classified commonly called fatty acid, as many of them, particularly the higher members, occurs in natural fats. The common name of individual fatty acids are derived from some of their natural sources. For example, formic acid is so named as it was originally obtained by the distillation of ants. Since acetic derivatives, its name from acetum in which it is present. Branched chain acid having one branch of the methyl group fastest away from the carboxylic group are named by adding the prefix iso to the name of corresponding straight chain acid. For instance, the given compound is known as isovaleric acid. Other branched chain acid and substituent acid are named as appropriate derivatives of straight chain acids, the position of the side chain or substituent group being indicated by the letter alpha, beta, gamma, etc. Structure of carboxylic group. Acidic character of carboxylic acid. Even though the carbonyl group is generally represented by the structure C double bond OH, it is resonance hybrid of the following contributing structure. C double bond OH, when we shift the double bond towards oxygen and the lone pair from another oxygen towards the bond between carbon and oxygen, we will get C double bond O positive H and O negative, which is attached on carbon. However, there is separation of charge in structure 1 and therefore it is less stable structure. As a result, these two structures do not make equal contribution to the resonance contribution of structure 2 being much less important than that of structure 1. Consequently, the energy is quite less. It is evident that in the resonance hybrid, oxygen of the hydroxyl group carries some charge. As a result, the electron pair of the OH bond is largely displaced towards oxygen. Displacement of electron pair, the hydrogen of OH bond can be released as H positive ion simultaneously. Formation of carbonate ion. This is responsible for acidic nature of carboxylic acid. Now, the carboxylate ion formed by the ionization of carboxylic acid is also known as resonance hybrid, shown ahead. Carboxylate ion is much greater than that of acid itself. In other words, the resonance stabilization of carboxylate ion is much more than that of the carboxylic acid. This greater stabilization of carboxylate ion tends to push the equilibrium in the ionization process towards the right, and this contributes the major factor in the dissociation of carboxylic acid. Since the carboxylate anion is a resonance hybrid of two similar structure, third and fourth, it may be visualized as equivalent to structure 4. 5. This means that the negative charge is evenly distributed on both the oxygen atoms. But both the carbon oxygen bond are equivalent and each is intermediate between single and double bond. This depiction of the carboxylate anion is confirmed by the X-ray diffraction studies of bond length of carboxylic acid in their anions. For instance, it was found that in formate ion both carbon oxygen bond length has the same value. This is possible only if both carbon oxygen bond of the ion are exactly equivalent. On the other hand, formic acid gives two different values for carbon oxygen bond length. This shows that in formic acid the carbon double bond oxygen has a greater double bond character, while COH bond has greater single bond character. Orbital structure. The resonance in a carboxylate ion can also be understood in the terms of molecular orbital concept. In terms of this concept, the carboxylic carbon atom is in a state of sp2 hybridization. These hybrid orbitals are direct towards the corner of the triangle and lies in the same plane at an angle of 120 degree with each other. These two orbitals form 3 sigma bonds, one each with the two oxygen atoms and third with the alpha carbon atom. The remaining unhybrid p orbitals of the carbon overlap sideways with the p orbital of both the oxygen atom to form a delocalized pi molecular orbital. In these words, the pi electrons are not confined to the nucleus of two atoms but get distributed around the nuclei of 3 atoms. This delocalization of a pi electron led to the stabilization and ease of formation of carboxylate ion. General method of preparation. The important methods of preparing carboxylic acid are discussed below. First, oxidation of primary alcohol or aldehyde. Carboxylic acid can be readily obtained by the oxidation of primary alcohol or aldehyde. The usual oxidation agent employed are acidified potassium dichromate, potassium permanganate or nitric acid. Primary alcohol or aldehyde, on oxidation we will get carboxylic acid. For example, isobutyl alcohol, on oxidation we will get isobutylic acid. Same for benzyl alcohol, we will get benzoic acid. Aldehyde can be oxidized to corresponding acid even by mild oxidizing agent such as Tollens reagent. Example is given below. This method is highly selective as it was not oxidize any other oxidizable groups such as alcoholic group if present in the starting aldehyde. Oxidation of alkyl benzene. On heating alkyl benzenes with oxidizing agent such as acidified potassium dichromate or acidified or alkali potassium permanganate, the alkali side chain get oxidized to carboxylic group. The reagent commonly employed is alkali potassium permanganate. This constitutes a useful method for the preparation of aromatic acid as the alkali side chain is always oxidized to carboxylic group irrespective of its side chain. Alkyl benzene, on oxidation we will get benzoic acid. Hydrolysis of nitriles. Hydrolysis of a nitrile with aqueous acid or alkali is an important method of preparing carboxylic acid. Nitrile plus 2H2O, H positive or OH negative will get carboxylic acid. Similarly, the examples of these are given below. Hydrolysis of acid derivatives such as acid chloride, anhydride ester, and acid derivatives mentioned above can be hydrolyzed to produce carboxylic acid with varying degrees of difficulty. while acid chloride and acid anhydride are hydrolyzed with water, such as hydrolysis of ester and amine is carried out in the presence of mineral acid or alkalis. Acid chloride plus H2O will give carboxylic acid plus HCl. Acid anhydride plus H2O will get RC double bond OH. Carbonation of Grignard reagent. Carboxylic acid may be prepared by reaction of Grignard reagent with carbon dioxide followed by decomposition of acid addition product with dilute mineral acid. The reaction is often referred to as carbonation of Grignard reagent. Carbon dioxide may be employed either in the gaseous form or preferably in the form of solid ice. Grignard reagent plus CO2 in the presence of ester we get addition product, then H3O positive we get carboxylic acid. Some examples of these are given below. Malonic ester synthesis. Diethyl malonate, generally referred to as malonic ester, forms its sodium salt on reaction with metallic sodium or sodium ethoxide. The sodium salt in turn can be easily alkalized on treatment with alkyl halide to form alkyl derivative of malonic ester, RCH, suitable bond to C2H5 twice. Malonic ester in the presence of C2H5ONa will give sodium-malonic ester. RX will give alkyl malonic ester. Alkyl malonic ester can be similarly converted into dialkyl malonic ester. The mono or dialkyl derivative of malonic ester may be hydrolyzed to form mono or dialkyl derivative of malonic acid. These acids in turn can be decarboxylated by heating to yield mono or dialkyl derivative of acetic acid, RCH2C double bond OH or R-CH double bond OH. Thus we have monoalkyl malonic ester plus 2 NaOH in the presence of minus 2 C2H5OH. We will get RCH double bond Na twice. In the presence of 2 HCl we will get RCH double bond OH twice. When we will heat it we will get alkyl acetic acid plus CO2. A proper choice of alkyl halide or halide to get the alkyl or dialkyl malonic ester can help to obtain practically every acid by means of malonic ester synthesis. For example, let us study that it is desired to prepare N-valeric acid. This acid may be regarded as N-propyl derivative of acetic acid. Therefore, we should first convert sodium-malonic ester into N-propyl malonic ester by reacting with N-propyl halide and subsequently hydrolyze and decarboxylate the alkyl derivative to get the desired product as shown ahead. Acetoacetic ester synthesis. Like malonic ester, acetoacetic ester can also be converted mono and dialkyl derivative of acetic acid. Monoalkyl derivatives of acetoacetic ester on hydrolysis yield a molecule of acetic acid and a molecule of alkyl acetic acid. Similarly, dialkyl derivative yield a molecule of dialkyl acetic acid and a molecule of diacetic acid. For example, N-valenium may be prepared as followed. Similarly, 2-methyl butanoic acid may be obtained by converting acetic ester into its methyl ethyl derivative followed by acid hydrolysis. 7th, hydrolysis of trihalogen derivative. Trihalogen derivative having all the 3 atoms attached to the same carbon atom give carboxylic acid on hydrolysis with an alkali. Trihalogen derivative plus H2O3 when we will minus 3 HCl, we will get unstable product. Then we will minus H2O, we will get carboxylic acid. For example, benzotrichloride on treating with 3KOH will get the product as shown. As there are 3 OH group attached on carbon, then we will minus H2O, we will get benzoic acid. On reaction with KOH, the H will be replaced with K, and at last we will get benzoic acid. 8th, oxidation of methyl ketone, haloform reaction. When treated with the sodium methyl ketone are oxidized to sodium salt of carboxylic acid. These salts are acidified to carboxylic acid. For example, 2-pentanol plus 3-NaOI will get butanoic acid plus CHI3 plus 2NaOH. It may be seen that the acid obtained contains one carbon atom less than the starting ketone. 9th, and homogenation. This is a convenient method of homogenation of an acid, that is conversion of a given acid into its next higher homology. In this method, the acid is first converted into acid chloride by treating with SOCl2. The acid chloride in turn is treated with diazomethane CH2N2 to get a diazoketone. When heated with silver, the diazoketone undergo Wolff rearrangement to form a ketene. This ketene on hydrolysis gives the next higher homology of the acid. The reaction sequence may be shown as follows. Started acid SOCl2, we will get acid chloride. On treating with CH2N2, we will get diazoketone. On treating with Ag and heat, we will get ketene. Then on reaction with H2O, we will get higher homology. From alkoxide, sodium alkoxide react with the carbon monoxide under high pressure to form sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This yield the free acid on acidification with a dilute mineral acid. Sodium alkoxide plus CO. On heat and pressure, we will get higher pressure. On reaction with the dilute HCl, we will get carboxylic acid plus NaCl. For example, sodium methoxide plus CO. On heating and pressure and dilute HCl, we will get ethanoic acid plus NaOH. From alkene, this method consists in heating an alkene with carbon monoxide and steam under pressure at 573 to 673 Kelvin in the presence of phosphorus acid catalyst. For example, ethane plus H2O in the presence of H3PO4, 573 to 673 Kelvin pressure, we will get propanoic acid. This reaction involves carbohydroxylation of alkene and is known as Koch reaction. Physical properties. First, physical state. The lower aliphatic acid such as formic acid, acetic acid and propanoic acid are colorless liquid having sharp irritating smell. The acid from C4, C9 are colorless oily liquid having somewhat unpleasant smell, but the higher member are colorless waxy solid having practically no smell. Aromatic acid too exists as colorless solid. Solubility. The aliphatic acid up to C4 are soluble in water, but the solubility falls off rapidly with the increasing molecular weight, and higher acids are practically insoluble in water. Amongst the aromatic acid, even the simplest acid, that is benzoic acid, is only sparingly soluble in water. However, the carboxylic acid are generally soluble in solvents like ether, alcohols and benzene. The water solubility of lower aliphatic acid is due to the formation of hydrogen bonds with the water in aqueous solution. In higher acid, the size of non-polar alkyl group become large and possibility of hydrogen bond formation with the water decreases. Formic acid and acetic acid act as a good solvent for salts because they have high dipole moment and can interact with cation and anion. Boiling point. Carboxylic acid form intermolecular hydrogen bond and therefore exist in the form of associated molecule. As such, carboxylic acid have high boiling point. The boiling point are considerably higher than those alcohols of considerable molecular weight. For example, acetic acid boils at 391 Kelvin while an propyl alcohol boils at 370 Kelvin. This can be attributed into two reasons. First, OH bond in carboxylic group is more polarized because of the presence of electron attracting carbonyl group in the adjacent position. Therefore, carboxylic acid forms stronger hydrogen bonds. Second, the negatively polarized oxygen of the carbonyl groups can also form hydrogen bond with the positively polarized hydrogen of the other molecule. Therefore, majority of carboxylic acid exist as cyclic dimer held together not by one but two hydrogen bond as shown in the figure. Chemical properties. The chemistry of carboxylic acid is governed by the presence of carboxylic group in the molecule, as this group may be further looked upon as consisting of a carbonyl group and a propyl group. It may be expected to exhibit the reaction of both these groups, but as we shall see, however, it does influence the behavior of hydroxyl group and is responsible for the acidic nature of hydrogen. The important reaction of carboxylic acid are discussed as follows. Reaction due to ionizable hydrogen, cleavage of OH bond. Acidity. All carboxylic acid ionize in aqueous solution and exist in equilibrium with the carboxylate anion and hydronium ion. Thus, they may exhibit considerably acidic nature. Reaction involving replacement of hydroxyl group, formation of functional derivative. The OH part of the acid can be replaced by a number of groups such as ClOr-NH2 and OOCr- to form acid chloride, ester amine and anhydride, which are collectively known as functional derivatives of acid. Third, formation of ester. When heated with alcohol in the presence of strong mineral acid or Lewis acid, carboxylic acid form esters. The reaction is reversible in nature and is known as esterification. The equilibrium in the esterification reaction can be pushed in forward direction by using one of the reactant in large excess. It is usually the alcohols which is taken in excess. The forward reaction can be further driven to completion if water from the reaction is removed simultaneously. This is generally achieved by using a specific design device known as a Dean-Stark separator. When the reaction between carboxylic acid and alcohol to form the ester is carried out in the presence of HCl, it is often known as Fischer-Tropsch esterification. Relative reactivity of acids and alcohol. The process of esterification is very difficult to carry out if the acid or alcohol used in the reaction carry bulky groups near the COH or OH group. This is because of steric hindrance caused by such group. This is very difficult to bring about an esterification reaction involving a tertiary alcohol. The order of reactivity of alcohol of esterification reaction is primary, secondary and tertiary. Formation of acidic chloride. On treating with phosphorus pentachloride, phosphoric chloride or thiochloride, hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid is replaced by chlorine to form acid chlorides. Mechanism. The reaction involves nucleophilic attack of carboxylic acid on the phosphoric or phosphorus halide or sulfur atom. At the same time, a molecule of HCl eliminated. The product thus formed undergo internal nucleophilic attack of chlorine ion on the carbonyl carbon to yield the final product. Formation of amines. When treated with ammonia, acid form ammonium salts which on heating lose a molecule of water to form amines. benzoic acid will give ammonium benzoate, and when heated we will get benzoamine. Formation of anhydride. When heated with acid chloride in the presence of pyridine, carboxylic acid form the corresponding anhydride. Carboxylic acid plus acid chloride plus pyridine will get acid anhydride plus pyridine hydrochloride. It is possible to eliminate the carboxylic group of form an acid to form different product as illustrated by the following reaction. Decarboxylation. Simple carboxylic acid get decarboxylate to form hydrocarbons with their sodium salts are heated with soda lime. Sodium benzoate plus NaOH in the presence of CO, we will get benzene plus N2CO3. Ninth, Kolbe's electrolytic reaction. Electrolytic decarboxylation. Alkene salt of carboxylic acid on electrolysis get decarboxylated to form hydrocarbon. 2RC double bond to Na, we will get 2RC double bond to negative plus 2Na positive to H2O, we will get 2H positive plus OH negative, that is ionization at the anode. 2RC double bond to negative minus 2 electron, we will get 2RC double bond to, that is unstable. On further reaction we will get alkene plus 2CO2 at the cathode, 2H positive minus 2 electron, we will get H2. The overall Kolbe's reaction may be represented as 2RC double bond O Na plus 2H2O. On electrolysis we will get alkene plus 2CO2 plus H2 plus 2NaOH. Electrolysis of sodium formate, however, yield only hydrogen and not a hydrocarbon. Distillation of calcium salt of acids. When distilled in the absence of air, calcium salt of acid yield different product as given below. Distillation of calcium formate yield formaldehyde. Distillation of a mixture of calcium salt of formic acid and calcium salt of another carboxylic acid give an aldehyde. Distillation of calcium salt of an acid other than formic acid give a ketone. 11th, decarboxylative halogenation. The silver salt of carboxylic acid react with bromide or iodide in dry carbon tetrachloride to form an alkyl bromide or iodide with the loss of carbon dioxide. 12th, halogenation of alkyl groups. In the presence of small amount of red phosphorus, the alpha hydrogen acid of alkyl group of aliphatic acid can be replaced by chlorine or bromine to form the halo acid. This is known as Hell-Volhard-Jelinsky HVZ reaction. Propanoic acid. In the presence of Br2 and phosphorus, we will get alpha bromopropanoic acid. Again treated with Br2 and phosphorus, we will get alpha dibromo-propanoic acid. It may be noted that bromination takes place exclusively at the alpha position and the reaction stops after all the alpha halogen has been displaced, but chlorination can continue further in the chain after the displacement of alpha hydrogen atom. The reaction is believed to take place as 2p plus 3x2, we will get 2px3. Carboxylic acid with alpha hydrogen plus px3, we will get acid halide plus H3PO3. Aromatic substitution. Aromatic carboxylic acid can be undergo the usual electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene rings such as halogenation, nitration and sulfonation. It may be recalled here that carboxylic group is a meta-directing and deactivating group, and therefore the above reaction takes place only under vigorous condition. Benzoic acid on treating with HNO3 H2SO4, on heating we will get meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Fuming H2SO4 are added and heated, we will get meta-sulfobenzoic acid, and on treating with Cl2 FeCl3 we will get meta-chlorobenzoic acid. Effect of substituent on acidities of carboxylic acid. The position of the equilibrium in the reaction between a carboxylic acid and water to furnish carboxylate anion and the hydronium ion depend upon the stability of the product related to the stability of the reactant. Any factor which stabilizes the carboxylate anion more than the parent acid should increase the acidity, and any factor which destabilizes the anion should decrease the acidity. An electron withdrawing substituent on the carboxylate anion attracts electron towards itself and thus disperses the negative charge of the anion. As a result, it stabilizes the carboxylate anion and thus increases the acidity of the parent acid. G attract electron towards itself depresses the negative charge on the anion and thus stabilizes it. G star releases electrons away from itself, intensified the negative charge on anion and thus destabilizes it. An electron releasing substituent on the carboxylate anion intensified the negative charge of the anion and therefore destabilizes the anion. Consequently, it decreases the stability of parent acid. Aliphatic acid. Important conclusion. It is quite obvious from the above discussion that the stronger the electron withdrawing group present in acid, greater is the stability. For example, fluoroacetic acid is stronger than chloroacetic acid because fluorine is a stronger electron withdrawing group than chlorine. The larger the number of electron withdrawing group present in the acid, the greater is the effect on the acidity. That is why we find that trichloroacetic acid is stronger than dichloroacetic acid, which in turn is stronger than monochloroacetic acid. As a group having electron withdrawing inductive effect more away from the carboxylic group, its effect on the acidity become less pronounced. It is quite in keeping with the fact that inductive effect falls off rapidly with the distance. That is why gamma chlorobutyl acid is weaker than beta chlorobutyric acid, which in turn is weaker than alpha chlorobutyric acid. The effect of electron releasing group is shown in section D of the table. It is apparent that acetic acid is weaker than formic acid because it contains an electron releasing CH3 group attached to the carboxylic group, while formic acid has got only a hydrogen attached to the carboxylic group. Aromatic acid, benzoic acid. In discussing the acidities of aromatic acid, let us begin with benzoic acid, which is the simplest acid containing a carboxylic group attached to an unsubstituted benzene ring. Phenyl group directly attached to the carbonyl group exert an electron withdrawing inductive effect, but at the same time it tends to release electron towards the carboxylic group due to the resonance effect. Now the plus R effect in this case is more dominating than minus I effect, so that phenyl group has a net electron releasing effect. That is why benzoic acid is the weaker acid than the formic acid. It may be noted, however, that the net electron releasing effect of phenyl group in the benzoic acid is lesser than the electron releasing inductive effect of alkyl group present in aliphatic acids. Therefore, benzoic acid is the strongest acid than aliphatic acid from acetic acid onwards. Phenyl acetic acid. Let us now consider the simplest aromatic acid containing the carboxylic group in the side chain, phenyl acetic acid. Here, resonance effect is not possible due to intervening carbon atom between the phenyl and carbonyl group. Therefore, phenyl group exert weakly electron withdrawing inductive effect. Consequently, phenyl acetic acid is a stronger acid than acetic acid and higher aliphatic acid containing electron releasing alkyl groups. It may be noted that even though phenyl group has electron withdrawn inductive effect, benzyl group, which may be treated as a phenyl substituted methyl group, has electron releasing inductive effect. As such, phenyl acetic acid is the weaker acid than formic acid. At the same time, electron releasing effect of benzyl group is more than the overall electron releasing effect of phenyl group. However, Phenyl acetic acid is weaker than even benzoic acid. Effect of substituent on acidic strength of aromatic acids. The effect of substituent present on benzene ring on the acidic strength of aromatic carboxylic acid depend upon both inductive and resonance effect operating when the group is present in different position as illustrated below. Group has electron withdrawing inductive effect as well as electron withdrawing resonance effect such as NO2 group. Let us consider the effect of the presence of nitro group on the benzene ring on the acidities of aromatic acid. Nitro group exert an electron withdrawing inductive effect as well as electron withdrawing resonance effect. However, it may be recalled that resonance effect operates only in ortho and para position, there being hardly any effect on meta position. This means that by resonance mechanism the nitro group cannot markedly reduce the electron density at the meta position, although it can reduce the electron density at ortho and para position. At the same time, it can reduce the electron density at all positions by inductive mechanism. The net result is that it exerts greater electron withdrawing influence when present in ortho and para position and greatly stabilize the corresponding carbonate anion. That is why ortho or para nitrobenzoic acid have greater acidity than meta nitrobenzoic acid, which however has greater acidity than benzoic acid. The overall order is given below. Effect of halogen. Halogen has electron withdrawing inductive effect and electron releasing resonance effect, but the inductive effect is stronger than resonance effect. To understand the effect of the presence of halogen on acidities of aromatic acid, let us take up the case of para and meta chlorobenzoic acid. When chlorine is present in para position, its electron withdrawing inductive effect is opposed by its electron releasing resonance effect. However, since the inductive effect is stronger than resonance effect, overall effect is electron withdrawing, so that the carboxylate ion gets stabilized. As a result, chlorobenzoic acid is stronger than benzoic acid. So here our chapter carboxylic acid is completed. Thank you.